Like my new Touareg.
I like it. I like what you've done there.
I know. We haven't really had a good look around it, have we?
We haven't.
It says check coolant. Adam stitched me up with a ringer, innit?
Well, we've had a quick look around it, but we've not looked, see if it has any...
We haven't played the Carly fault code game, have we?
That's the one.
Right, stick with us. We will do an engine thing, but let's see how bad Adam has stitched me up. In this week's episode of the Carly fault code game, that's the Carly fault code game, how many faults?
On that?
Yeah. Bearing in mind, you know Adam sold it.
Yeah, and you've been running it for 2 weeks now. I'm going to go with...
about 8 things wrong with it.
I'm going to go with 17.
17 faults?
17 faults.
Do you?
Yeah.
What do you think, Thomas?
Hang on.
I'm going to go...
Hang on.
11.
11 faults, 17 faults. I'm going 28. What are we saying, Dav?
I'm going... Oh, I'll go in the middle. I'll go 23.
Right. I can already list. My parking sensors don't work.
Yeah.
My heating don't work. The thermostat's gone. My power steering's really heavy.
Yeah.
So, we get out the magic dongle.
So we'll look close up of this. There we go.
And plug it in.
We just zoom into it there. It is plugged in. ODB. ODB? Hang on, OBD, I mean.
Yeah. The ODB socket. Please connect to the internet. Add new car. We go in Volks. And then we're going for a Touareg. What year am I? 13. I'm a diesel. And then we just go get started.
Let it do its thing.
Connect. Can you put some like nice lift music
I could
on?
do. And I'm going to admire your very lovely carbon fibre phone case. Look at this. Where'd you get that from, dude?
Tinterweb. Because they're too big otherwise, and the new iPhone's got that swipey button, isn't it?
Yep.
On it. So we've gone in diagnostics, and we're going to go check for issues. We're up 20%, we're up to 4. Because my parking sensors don't work at all. So bless him, Adam's been freaking out. Because I took it to the airport when I went to Spain, and the thermostat's obviously playing around, so like my heating don't work, and then it's overheating 1 minute, and then it's running all right the next minute. And he's had a bit of a... He's all worried that he stitched me up, isn't he?
Maybe, I don't know.
12 issues at 65%. 14.
It's creeping up.
What did you say?
17.
16 at 85%.
No, I've lost.
17.
Well,
21. You've lost.
21.
Right.
Dav's going to win.
One out.
What is you? 22?
23.
23. Dav wins. Right. Show results. What have we got? I got 4 issues in my engine.
Compression low.
Yeah. Engine coolant temperature sensor 2 circuit high. Park neutral switch input. Glow plug module. And apparently glow plug incorrect. So I've got 4 in engine.
Non-genuine.
Air conditioning. I've got temperature sensor for Manenstromer front left interruption. Don't even know what that is. Function restrictions due to energy management. Function restriction for your energy management. Activation of air conditioning compressor, implausible signal. Ooh. CAN gateway. I got parking aid control module, no communication. That might answer why my parking sensors don't work. Control unit for battery monitoring, no communication. Information electronics. Function limitation because of communication failure. And function limitation due to lack of info. I would imagine that's missing message or something. Central electrics is terminal 30. Comfort system is unlocking fuel cap. Apparently it's rated as bad.
It's bad.
Wow.
Radio bass speaker rear left. Passenger door. Lock-in unit for central lock-in. I don't have any problems with my brakes. And my airbag's good. Right, if we clear the issues and then see how many come back. 1 issue found.
Oh, fixed.
Fixed everything.
Video's done.
Yeah.
Thanks
for watching.
joining us.
2 issues found.
Oh, no, we got it.
6 issues. Right, what we got? Air conditioning. I know something's wrong with aircon because it doesn't bloody work. CAN gateway. That's going to be... We've still got 1 in engine. What have we got in engine? Glow plug control module performance 1. air conditioning, temperature sensor front left, short circuit's positive. So that's the freeze frame data. Search for more information. So you can literally just click help and it takes you straight to...
Shows you a handy YouTube video.
It does. CAN gateway is going to be parking aid. Information electronics is going to be parking aid. Touareg 2013 parking module. Can we fix it with Google and YouTube?
So we're making a YouTube video.
Look,
about
I can't even YouTube a Touareg without Matt Armstrong coming up.
Look, there he is.
It's located under the dash panel in the driver footwell, apparently.
Maybe not then.
Yeah. An iPhone, a Kali tool, and a snap-on travel toolkit, Dav. And we can fix anything.
That's all you need.
All you need. So you got to pop the OBD out of the trim look. Can you see? 3 little tabs.
Hang
1,
on.
2, 3.
Come in. Yep.
1, 2, 3. Pop them out. Trim comes away.
Yep.
Get your light out. Turn that light out.
Big light.
Harry Potter. Right, apparently it's up here, mush. Ah, oh, Dav, it never gives you it, does it?
Oh.
47 is that one there, but is there one on the other side, Dav?
Don't know. Should we find out? Should we find out?
The only thing that throws it is it says the parking control module fuse is also the OBD socket fuse.
Ooh, more fusings.
More fuses. I've got nothing on the parking module at all. Dead as a dodo. Yeah, so I put my voltmeter on,
Yep.
and I go ignition off, ignition on. I get nothing, mate. Diddly squat. Right? Now, it doesn't, it just says SB47, which is pin 47, right? Sorry, fuse 47, which we don't know if it's this one or not. Now I've got 12 volts one side and 2 volts the other side. So that says I've got, look at it jumping around. Oh, I've got 11 volts now. Something's going on, mate, because if I do that, yeah, I go here, why have I got 2 volts on that side?
Makes no sense.
It doesn't make any sense. So my next question is going to be, if we pull the back of this fuse box off, is it a blue and black wire in that fuse? Or is the one I want the other side? But something's, because you can get ghost voltages out of that one. No, so that's saying it's a yellow and that's saying it's a yellow and red, which I want here. So I have got a blue and black wire in there, but I don't. It is weird why that is nothing there. So it should be that one. Yeah. That one with the zip tie around it, because it's a blue and black wire, is just kind of throwing me head a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll go the other side, and let's have a look at the fuse box around this side. Now that is pin 47. And that is very, very corroded, Davlar.
Is it?
Yes. Let me grab my volting meter a minute. Wow, I'm just at pin 47, this side is quite corroded. So what I'm trying to do here is figure out why I've got nothing, Dav, because pin 47, that's interesting, that worked. So why did, unless it's purely because of the corrosion across that fuse. So if I go on the terminal, I got a beep. If I put the fuse in, I don't get a beep.
Run that car to MOT.
You're going to? All right, cool. Thanks, mate. So, let me go in. Well, I'm wondering, it is a bit grotty if you stick that on your camera and have a look. Let me get a 5 a minute.
There we go. A little bit corroded.
So, good fuse. Okay, try it again. Right.
There we go.
Now, in theory, mate, we should have voltage here, right? So if I go here to here, 20 volts. Oh, flip it around, but I've got voltage. See? It's backwards because I've got my terminals backwards.
Yep.
But I didn't have a voltage a minute ago.
There we go.
Right. So I've got voltage now. Right, Dav. We're doing ignition cycle. Right. My parking light's lit up. Do I get a display? I can never remember on this. Ignore the coolant. I don't want reverse. So if we go back, we go connect. It turns on and off now. Mitch? Sorry mate, just walk in front of my sensors for me. Mr. Soft. Way!
Hang on, that's it.
And again. No, it didn't work then.
Bounce again.
Maybe it's because it's doing. Sorry, mate. I put diag going, so maybe it's that a minute.
Are you in it?
Yeah, I think. Oh, it's checking it, so maybe it's that. Does it come up with a display?
On this, it's got
Shut a door a minute.
your light up there.
No,
Has it got root?
it ain't got a camera. I wonder whether it comes up on here. So, what's your prize for winning the Carly Falco game?
It's a Touareg, isn't it?
Well, you get to put this back together.
Yeah.
Right, show
to
results.
put all this
What
back
have we got? CAN gateway. Parking aid control module, no communication. Terminal 15, implausible signal. Battery monitor. Optical data bus. Clear CAN gateway. Repeat check now. Park steering assist. I got a fault code. I didn't have that module before, Dav.
And now,
The fuse was corroded.
corroded.
Yeah. Fuse are fine, but it was just like corroded in the holder. Right, park steering assist. What did we have? Loudspeaker for parking assistant front interruption short to earth. So that would say the speakers playing around then. But I've got parking assist now. If we shut the door a minute, let's see if it works. Mitch, sorry mate.
Yeah?
Just walk in front of my jigglies again.
Where are we going to get it? On the dash?
I think it'll just beep.
Not sure if we'll hear it.
On the starting system.
You hear it beeping?
Do my rears.
Success!
It works! Great success! Right, so can I clear that? I've checked for issues. Right, car's being checked. Let's see if we can clear it. That's not bad work, is it? A snap-on travel set, a Carly Diagnostics, mate, and a new fuse. Right, I've checked for issues. I want to clear issues. Yeah, look, that's all it was. Was it that one, or is that the one you give me?
No, this is the dodgy one.
Yeah, no, that goes back in me on. 8. Parking assist. Warning buzzer for front parking aid, H22, open circuit. So if we clear the issues, you hold that, Dav, see what clears.
100%. Right, now we're going to check for issues. Whilst holding the camera, hang on.
It's like me building the engine the other night.
Yeah. So, central electronics, air conditioning, and engine. One issue with each.
Is that all we're down to now, Dav?
Yep.
Mate, I love being good.
Should we clear those?
Yeah, they'll probably come back.
Okay.
So what have we got now? Recently cleared, check for issues. Let that go through a minute. If I just pop this clip back in, Dav.
Ah, parking system is now on the display. Yes.
My greatness is unrivaled, Mitchell! Go on then, you sit in there and I'll run laps around the car. Go on, you sit in there, Because you can film a screen now, can't you?
Right, you
Ready?
go around the car.
Yeah. Ready?
There he is. Oh, look, there he is at the front. There he is, look. Right. Guys. There he is.
Supposed to pick them up.
Did it work?
It worked.
Show results. Central electrics, air conditioning, and engine. I don't know why it's got that at 32. Air conditioning, it's got no, I need to find out what that is. Front, it's a temperature sensor, and then engine is glow plug control module performance. No idea.
It's a diesel thing.
It is. So that's okay. So all that was, and this is, have you still got the fuse?
Did I give it to you?
So the problem here was, or not the problem here, is to check it wasn't blown, I did a test across the fuse, so it's okay. But our problem is, look, can you see how corroded the fuse is?
Yep.
So I had voltage at the fuse, but I had no voltage through the fuse, which is then when we went from the output pin of the fuse to the control module, where I had continuity, and then the second I changed the fuse, it works. So just because the fuse looks good doesn't mean the fuse is good. So yeah, sweet, mate.
That's a pretty neat fix, that.
Well, you look at that. What do we have? 23 faults, just by fixing one, because it links to so many other control modules. We've got that down to 3 faults. Air conditioning is a temp sensor, central electrics, we'll have a dig in another time, and engine is glow plug control module. So down to 3 faults. 3 faults.
So Adam can relax a bit.
Bless him, he's freaking out.
It's a good car, isn't it?
It is a good car. It's just wind it, because he's a bit of a sensitive Sally. I just like winding him up. No. I knew the changeover valves are bloody renowned on these, and when he dropped it off, we knew there was something going on with parking. So yeah, it's all good. We happy?
I'm happy.
Happy. Mate, that is literally little things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little things. Yeah. No?
Not that little thing.
Nah, whatever. Fix my parking sensors.
Did you?
Yes.
No way.
Yep.
You fixed the coolant leak?
Hey? It's not got a coolant leak.
Is it not?
Coolant next. Right.
Okay.
Happy with that?
Let's move.
Selector.
There's a link in the description below. So there's a nice little discount code for you. So get one purchased. Because they're great little devices to have in your side pocket of your car to help you fix little faults. Like what we just did.
I need to try mine next.
Yeah. Maybe that's the next game. Maybe next month it's the Carly fault code game is how many faults has Dav's car got?
That could be an interesting one.
Yeah. Right. To the engine room.